I just have an interesting anecdote to share with you as Mr. Anil Harish spoke about Mumbai. We had the sixth generation grandson of David Sassoon here in Mumbai only last week. His name was Timothy Sassoon and he had come from Los Angeles. And he spoke about a fact that the Bombay Flying Club, which is at Santa Cruz, he visited that place. And he told me he was to come here and meet us in the afternoon, but he got late there at the Bombay Flying Club for the reason that the entire plot of Bombay Flying Club was owned by the Sassoons. And he informed me that the first flight which took off from Karachi to India and which Mr. J.R.D. Tata flew, the license number 1 for that flight was given by the son of David Sassoon, Mr. Victor Sassoon. So that was an anecdote which I wanted to share with you. And I think now if there are any question answer sessions we could have, if any members would want to ask Mr. Anil Harish any questions, they may raise their hands. After. I think we will go ahead with the next program, and that is the felicitation of senior members of the library. On stage, please. Small flowers on our behalf. The ambassador has to leave for another appointment, so he's. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
After David Sassoon, second building was constructed, Esplanade High School.
Acha.
Where I was student.
I see. I am happy to mark the presence of Mr. Sudhir Shah, who is very much here and who has studied at the library and who's given a small story for our Sassoonian. And he's passed his solicitors studying at the library, and he is willingly come forward to arrange 4 programs in Gujarati on all 4 Saturdays of April, and 1 program in English on visa, study visa for members of the library. It is being sponsored by Mumbai Samachar, the newspaper. Mr. Indravardhan Joshi is also present here. I am sure he also must have pleasant memories. Mr. Badshah is present. Mrs. Jeru Gowadia is here. I can see all old faces. I know. Praveen? Professor Praveen Thakkar is also present here. Praveen? Kantaria. He is also present here. Thank you so much. I think because of the mega block, there have been difficulties for
Mr. Ezra from London.
Mr. Ezra, a Jewish person, is here from from London, and I would just request him to stand so that we give him a round of applause. Thank you.
Friends, Sri Anil Harish has given such a history from ground level to the skyline of Mumbai. Now today we have a skyline. In Mumbai, to think of a flat or to think of a shelter is now everyone becomes crorepati. He has ample of experience legally. There are so many questions to government. There are so many issues to be settled for Mumbaikars. But as he said rightly, the population is the main problem. Unless the population is controlled, then there is no price control in Mumbai. I think before we go to the next program, our chief guest is coming for felicitation. He has just left for 5 minutes. We are all with a heavy budget speech, very serious about the future of Mumbai. But nothing to worry. Keep your mind pleasant. And I think we need to sing a song together so that at least we become lighter for the evening. I request all of you, please, without any hesitation, without any low voice, raise your voice and sing a song. It is known by all. Let us sing. Last time also we did. It was very much liked by people. And this time also we do. It will be definitely liked by you all. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. प्लीज लाउडली, लाउडली प्लीज, प्लीज. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते है तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. एटलीस्ट जीना इसी का नाम है तो बोलो, हमको जीना है. जीना इसी का नाम है. Thank you very much. Our chief guest has come. We proceed with the program of felicitation by President and chief guest. Thank you.
Well, the managing committee would like to felicitate some senior members of the library whose immense contribution to the institute has to be recognized. I think I wouldn't have to say much. The first person who needs to be felicitated is Mr. Jagdish Joshi, who joined the library in the 1960s and was elected the first committee member in 1982 under the presidency of Mr. Jal Vakil. Thereafter, he has been assisting many committees time and again in various capacities. He has been vice president and has gone on to become the president for 8 years, which is a record in itself, surpassing even my record of less than 8 years in the post-independence history of India, and continues to work for the betterment of the library even today. I call upon the chief guest of today's evening a small anecdote. Mr. Jagdish Joshi's father was the principal of a school where our chief guest studied. Am I right? May I request Mr. Jagdish Joshi to please come on stage and accept.
Explain the principle.
सामने देखो जरा.
I would like to say 2 words. This is not required. I joined this library as member in 1968. Since then, I am very active in all the committees because I love this library. I love these members. I love this place. This is only because of love which you give me, and I just share with you. So whatever is there, this is yours. This is your love, nothing else. And I do not want this type of this thing, but since I am given this respect, I thank you very much, President, and this institution. And I love all my friends. Thank you.
Well, the second person is Ms. Swati Kapadia, a solicitor by profession, and has been a committee member from 1982 in various committees and has been one of our senior most managing committee members of the library. She continues to be a managing committee member even today. May I call upon Swati Kapadia to come on stage and accept the felicitation at the hands of the guest keynote speaker, Mr. Anil Harish.
Yes, sir.
You are also going to speak.
Friends, I would say that this library is my second home. I have started my career by studying here, and therefore I personally feel that whatever I have gained from this institution, if at all if I can give something to the institution, I would be always, if anyone from the members also require anything, feel free, you are always welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Mrs. Jeru Gowadia has been a very familiar face here. I recollect the times when I was studying at the library for my law, and she has been one of the senior-most members here. She has pioneered the restoration of the library and the garden process in our library along with her late husband, Mr. Dara Gowadia, who was also a committee member. She has been the honorary treasurer of the library, and we acknowledge your services, madam, and request you to please come on stage and accept the felicitation at the hands of our chief guest, Mr. Majithia. आइए सामने है सामने
Jerry का नाम
Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much.
थैंक यू वेरी मच थैंक्स
थैंक यू। एक बात है कि हमारे पारसी ट्रस्ट एंड ट्रस्टीज, दैट इज़ वाई दे डोंट रन वेल। डेविड सासन जी gave this place no trust, no trustees, no anybody, family member, to the people of Mumbai. So we had believed that people of Mumbai have to preserve this. And that is where my husband was very dedicated. पहले उनका स्टैच्यू को प्रणाम करके आगे बढ़ेगा, कोर्ट में जाना है तो डेविड साहब को प्रणाम करके जाएगा. And this is it. The people of Mumbai have to preserve this. Only managing committee and our members have preserved it. Like कोई मालिक ना संभाले उतना संभाला. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Kaushik Oza, our Vice President, has been one of our senior-most members and has arranged maximum number of programs in the library of eminent speakers, some of whom have been Mr. Shashi Kapoor, Justice Dawood of the Bombay High Court, Commissioner of Police Mr. Soman, and to recollect a few. He continues his efforts even today. I would request Mr. Kaushik Oza to please come on stage and accept the felicitation at the hands of our keynote speaker, Mr. Anil Harish. सामने से Mr. Parimal Shah has been assisting the library in offering legal services, sometimes as an advocate and other times as legal consultant, and has been assisting the committees in various legal matters of the library for about 2 decades. He has been the Vice President of the library from 2005 to 2011 and from 2013 to 2015. May I request Mr. Parimal Shah please come on stage and accept the felicitation at the hands of Mr. Majithia. Mr. Parimal Shah. समोर या बाजूला. Mr. Chandrakant V. Shah also joined the library in 1960s, who is 81 years today. He is battling for his life in a hospital in suburban Mumbai after he suffered a brain hemorrhage last week. He has been the honorary secretary of our library for 11 years, which is a record in itself in post-independence history. Since Mr. Shah is not present here, may I request the present honorary secretary, Mrs. Uma Wagale, to come on stage and accept the award at the hands of Mr. Anil Harish. I think we should give him a standing ovation. He is really battling for his life at Mr. C.V. Shah in. Thank you so much, Uma. Mr. Atul Shah, I don't think he's present, but I think I must mention his name. He has been a life member whose contribution to the library dates back to the time when Mr. Pritish Nandi, a member of parliament, sanctioned his MP fund of rupees 34 lakhs to the library. Mr. Atul Shah, along with Jagdish Bhai Joshi, was then very eminently put in their efforts and got the funds sanctioned to the David Sassoon Library, because the planning authorities had taken objection that MP LADS funds cannot be given to an institution which is more than 100 years. But thereafter, Mr. Kapoor of the MTDC, who was in the PMO, put in a word, and out of the good offices of Mr. Atul Shah and Jagdish Bhai, who had to travel to Delhi a lot of times, we got the funds sanctioned and the funds were given to the library. Similar funds were sanctioned by Pritish Nandi to the Asiatic Library, which remained unpaid. I think presently Atul Shah is the trustee of the Mumbai Port Trust, and I'm sure he will help us out in our efforts for preserving this monument. May I request Vice President Mr. Kaushik Bhai Oza to come on stage on behalf of Mr. Atul Shah and accept the felicitation on behalf of Mr. Anil Harish, from Mr. Anil Harish. Mr. Rushikesh Kulkarni is a young member of our library and has helped the library change the newsletter from the Sassoonian to the official blog of the library. He has really been promoting the library during the Kalagoda festival too. He is also a professor and takes lectures for economics. I am sure he is not present today. May I request a younger member of the managing committee, Mr. Ramdas Thorat, why don't you come on stage and accept the award for Mr. Rushikesh Kulkarni on behalf of Mr. Rushikesh Kulkarni from the chief guest, Mr. Majitya. तिकडे बघ तिकडे बघ तिकडे बघ तिकडे बघ. And the last one, the Poetry Club of Mumbai, Miss Ankita Shah, Mr. Ramnik Singh, Miss Rochelle Potkar, Mr. Sanket Mhatre, and Mr. Manoj Gopal Krishnan, who have willingly come forward to present to us the poetry reading session, which we shall have after this felicitation is through. May I request all of them to please come on stage and accept a felicitation from our from our keynote speaker, Mr. Anil Harish. Ankita Shah, Ramnik Singh, Ms. Rochelle Potkar, Mr. Sanket Mhatre, and Mr. Manoj Gopal Krishnan. Please come on stage. सगळे या ना. All of you all, please come. Please, all of you all come. Please stand. Madam, please. One person whom I have forgotten, I must apologize, is Mr. Himanshu Modi. How can I forget him? Himanshu Modi has been a committee member since 1993 and has been actively working on various capacities like the Assistant Honorary Treasurer, Honorary Secretary and President. He is even today a member of the Managing Committee and takes care, appropriate care, I presume, of all the accounts of the library. May I request Himanshu Bhai to please come on stage and accept the felicitation at the hands of Mr. Anil Harish. Well, with this, I think we conclude the first part of the session. The second session will be with the Poetry Club. I would call on stage the members of the Poetry Club now to give us a poetry reading session. I think we can sit in the audience for some time.
What I just forgot, to give my reaction. My reaction could be only the poetry of Robert Frost, that woods are deep, dark and lovely. Woods are deep, dark and lovely, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. I would like to recognize the presence of revered, respected Sir Praveen Sir Kantaria, who has been teaching accountancy for the last 40 years, and he is one of the most important landmark of the suburb of Ghatkopar. Praveen Sir Kantaria. I would like to also recognize the young author who gave a program to our library, Insia Patanwala. She is 15-year-old. At the age of 14, she wrote a book, Extorica. And please get up, Insia Patanwala. She wrote a book at the age of 14. Now, my friends, we always like taking, receiving. There is also joy of giving, And I would like to give with unanimous this thing, There cannot be a dissent that a person who has been working day in and day out, who has given his life, who has given his dedication and devotion is unquestionable, And I want, without any dissent, all of you to give a standing ovation to President Vivekanand Ajgaonkar for his contribution to David Sassoon Library and Reading Room. Please give a standing ovation. We are not giving him any award. That is his modesty. He has said no. Please stand up. This itself is the biggest award than anything else. Thank you so much. God bless you all.
I request our secretary, Srimati Uma Wagle, to give a vote of thanks.
Good evening all. On behalf of David Sassoon Library, Managing Committee and all of us, I give my sincere thanks to Mr. Majetia for giving us unconditional support always. Thank you, sir. I also thank our keynote speaker, Mr. Anil Harish, for taking us through a very critical analysis of about 300 years of history of real estate. Sir, we also appreciate your suggestions regarding conducting different kind of programs in this institution. We'll definitely consider. Need be, will come to you for guidance on that also. Thank you very much. I also thank Mr. Devon, who had to leave early because of his preoccupation. And above all, I thank you all, ladies and gentlemen, to remain present and make this function a great success. Thank you very much. Special thanks to all the staff, managing committee members, and all of you who have been working hard, including the musicians, the photographers, the light person, and all. And I wish that you all have a lovely evening. We have a musical program and a poetry reading program hereafter. So kindly enjoy yourself. Thank you very much.
Friends, we have a second part of program. Earlier it was decided that sweet melodies by Amit Date will chief guest Sri Majetia to Sri Harshad Parekh. Thank you, Harshad. Friends, before we end, I will have only half a minute. I request, there are many senior members who were very busy in their life professional life for years together. They did not visit library. And now we see some faces here. And we are also very happy to see them here. I request you, we will go on doing such programs. You also come with old friends. Phone them. Call here. You will have a get together. You will also have a good evening. You will also have sweet memories of past. So this is such programs provides you a very, very get together for senior members, particularly those who are very unable to come and those who are not coming to library for their professional appointments for years together. Now we will have a break for 10-15 minutes. Then after, we are going to have a poetry reading now. After the poetry reading, we will have a break for 15 minutes. And then after, the melodies of Harshad Parekh will be performed. And then after, there will be a dinner at about 8:15. I request members to, dinner will be served at the time will be announced. You please go slowly and have delicious dinner also. I request the Poetry Club members to come here on the stage and give their performance to the members.
I would request Mr. Praveen Bhai to please come on stage and accept our greetings from Mr. Majitia. Please. He is an educationist for the last 40 years, and we thank you, sir, to be here amongst us today. Thank you. He is the whole and soul of Praveen classes, I think, which he runs. Thank you so much. We are now already behind schedule, so I call upon stage members of the Poetry Club to give us a brief poetry reading session. Thank you.